Well, hello again and welcome to the Gourmet Grandad and Family channel. It's been a little while, but I'm back and it's November, so it feels like a casserole-y type of day really. It's a little bit dull, not cold, so I'm going to make today a beef casserole in the slow cooker, and it's going to also have dates to give it some sweetness and soy sauce to give a little bit of a twist. And then we've got the general ingredients that you'd put in a casserole: carrots and onions, but also there's a little bit of grated ginger, a stock cube, and seasoning, as you can see here. And then to finish it off, we add some lime juice, or the juice from a fresh lime. So yes, follow me here and you will see the recipe. In a pan, add some sunflower oil and fry off the chunks of stewing steak in batches. This is so that they don't actually boil. If you put it all in at the same time, they'll boil and they won't brown. So do them in batches and then put them aside on a plate. When all of your meat is browned off, put all of the meat back into the pan and then sprinkle over a tablespoon of flour and mix well, and then you need to transfer that back to a plate and save that for later. In a jug, add a beef stock cube and then pour in a pint of boiling water, that's half a litre, and mix until the stock cube has dissolved. Peel and slice an onion. Add a little more oil to your pan and then add your onions and fry until soft. Peel and slice your carrots in large rounds, as you can see here. Finely chop between 6 and 8 dates. Now these have already been stoned. I used 8 because I like it a little bit sweeter, but it really depends on your palate. Peel and grate approximately an inch of fresh ginger. When your onions have softened, as you can see here, add a tablespoon of flour and mix in. And then add the meat that is already coated in some flour. This all helps to thicken the casserole when it's in the slow cooker, or you can cook this in the oven as well, but I'll explain that later. Now add 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Pour in your beef stock and then stir. Add your grated ginger. And your chopped up dates. Also, into the mixture we add our carrots. season with a little bit of black pepper. Bring your mixture to a boil. Then very carefully place all of the mixture into your slow cooker dish. I cooked mine on low for approximately 5 to 6 hours, but just cook it for as long as it needs to make the meat tender. Just before you're about to serve, stir in the juice of 1 lime. Now, doesn't this look tasty? And I have to say, it really, really was. Well, here I serve this with green beans and some nice cheesy mashed potato, but the choice is yours. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and please come and visit me again soon. Thank you.